Pating Reviews presents AOC CQ27G2 27-inch super curved monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. I took the plunge and bought this monitor. It's 32-inch curved monitor and is much larger than I thought it was going to be. If you have a small desk, you might want to think of getting a smaller one. I hooked it up to my PC using an RTX 2080 and it looked good, but not great in gaming. I knew something was definitely off. I tried all kinds of configurations for 4 days, but nothing worked until I played with the picture boost menu, which finally understood what it does. The picture boost option applies an extra virtual film over the screen, which allows you to tweak the brightness and contrast more than in the luminance option. Just go into the menu under picture boost and enable bright frame to on. After that, increase the frame size all the way up to 100. My brightness setting in picture boost is 34 and contrast is 50. Adjust to your own desire, but I noticed lower brightnesses improves in game shadows. I did notice if I used any of the present game modes, hint leave game mode off, under game setting options, it would shut off picture boost and I would have to enable it again and redo the entire process. I wish we could save our settings preset files in the monitor. Picture boost, bright frame on, frame size 100, brightness 34, contrast 50. Under game settings, game mode is off. If you enable it, it will disable picture boost mode. Set low blue mode to off, overdrive to medium. You might want to leave the overdrive setting off. It adds a lot of input lag and you don't really have that much blurriness with a powerful PC and a GPU. FreeSync to on. Under illuminescence, contrast is 45, brightness is 95, lower if you like. Eco mode standard, gamma set to gamma 2, DCR is off. Under color setup, color temp is set to user, red to 43, green to 48, blue to 49, shadow control to 50. Once I set up this config, I can only now fully say that this monitor is a must buy and am now totally loving it. Playing games on it has been very immersive and you just can't go wrong with this product. Once properly configured, this monitor is amazing. I definitely recommend that you purchase it. Here's a bit more information about this monitor. It's a 27-inch AOC G2 series gaming monitor with QHD 2K 2560 by 1440 resolution, 1500R super curved monitor wrapping around you for an immersive gaming experience. Brilliant colors producing over 120% area coverage for sRGB color gamut, rapid 1 millisecond response, and 144 Hz refresh rate with AMD FreeSync Premium for smoothest competitive gameplay. 3-sided frameless design with ultra narrow borders for the ultimate multi-monitor setup. Height adjustable stand for optimum ergonomics. DisplayPort 2 times HDMI 2 VGA inputs with audio line out for convenience. 1 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI cable included. This is an awesome product only after it is configured properly. Hint, adjust picture boost. Update your motherboard's BIOS, especially if using new graphics cards like RTX series and new Radeon RX series cards. I had an issue with an old board BIOS that resulted in improper resolution output on my new RTX cards, causing blurriness in games. This monitor at 32 inches requires a powerful processor to transition the screen pixels and graphics card to see it at its best. I recently upgraded my motherboard to an MSI Gaming Plus and also got an Intel i7-9700K with my RTX 2080. This monitor is now fully functional. Textures in games are crisp and sharp. There is absolutely no more image texture blur at this screen size. I can't explain how it happened, but it seems the screen pixels are able to transition faster with this new hardware. I was using an i7 8700 non-K version, which I thought was powerful, but with the new processor I am hitting 144 frames per second consistently now, and it shows with how clear the games look. Don't get me wrong, they looked good before, but they totally look amazing now. If you can afford it, get an i7 processor, preferably a 9700K or 8700K. Also, if you install the latest GeForce drivers version 436.02, you should try out the new texture sharpening tool. It is simply amazing. To use it, you need to have GeForce Experience installed. During gameplay, press Alt and F3. On the overlay, click one of the numbers, either 1, 2, or 3. Select the game filter command and scroll down until you see sharpening. Move the slider to adjust the sharpness and enjoy the visuals. Make sure to reinstall your graphics driver after you hook this monitor up to your PC for the first time. NVIDIA gives you the option to do a custom installation with a clean installation, which will help to resolve any leftover conflicts with your previous monitor. Also use the DisplayPort cable that came with the monitor. I noticed that images in games were sharper compared to when I used any third-party cable. I don't know if it is just placebo, but I tried using 4 other DisplayPort cables and the images were not as good in my opinion compared to with the one added in the box. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.